us. He does not love the gayness or homosexuality of mankind, because He gave them a specific gender, only for them to throw away their gender simply because they do not like their God-given gender. For God, it is like a slap in His face when a person chose homosexuality over their God-given gender. And gays claim that they love God, but they do not understand what God feels. It is always about what gender they want, not what gender God wants for them. Gayness comes from Satan's influence and not from God. Jesus gave up His life for us, just so we could be saved. He gave up everything for us. But gays could not even give up their homosexuality for Jesus. If you truly love God, accept your God-given gender. That is the only choice you have if you want to be saved.